Are you looking to find a specific message in your Telegram chats on PC? With the recent updates, it's easier than ever. Let me guide you through the simple steps to search for a message quickly and efficiently. First, open the Telegram app on your PC, or you can opt for Telegram Web. Both options will take you to your chat interface, where you can access all your conversations. Once you're in the app or web version, head straight to the search bar located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and type in the keywords or phrases from the message you're trying to locate. Make sure to be as specific as possible to narrow down your search results. As you start typing, you'll see suggestions pop up below the search bar. These suggestions will include messages that match your search criteria from various conversations. Simply scroll through the results until you spot the message you're looking for. Once you find it, click on the message, and it will take you directly to the chat where it's located. There you go. You've successfully searched for a message in Telegram on your PC. Whether you're looking for an important text or a funny meme, this feature makes it so much easier to navigate through your chats. Give it a try next time you need to find something quickly. Happy messaging!